Hi friends, welcome to the Next.js series. In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to remove the item from the cart. So in the previous tutorial, we had seen how to add the product in the cart. Once we have added, that value is updated in the local storage. If I click this add to cart, you can see my cart value is added in the local storage. So if I remove this item has to be removed. So for that we have to give a button. So what here I have a cart. So in the cart, if I have two cart, this two cart should have a remove button. So for that, the cart where we have mapped, here we have a cart map function. So here if I have the cart value 3, so these three items will be iterated through this loop. And once we have this, here we have to add a button over this, so that we will be having the remove button. So once I click this remove button, I will be getting this item dot underscore id underscore id, which we will be getting from the database. The database, it's stored like underscore id, so we should use underscore id here. Once I click this function will be called handle remove from cart. So we have to call this handle remove from cart. This item underscore id will be taken as product id. So here I have a function called remove from cart. Here I have a product id. So product id is all about the item underscore id, which will be the product id. Here we are using a create context, so we have to use context where we have defined the function in that particular cart context file. So we have to go to this particular folder and we have to define the function for remove from cart, so that only it will update the overall state of the cart value. So for that we have to go to the cart context. So in the cart context we have created context. So where we have to use that particular cart, we have to use it. If we are defining this particular remove from cart here, so we are defining. So for that, this once I click this remove button, so here we have this. Once I click this, you will be getting that particular item underscore id. This id will be passed here. The function which is written in that particular product list remove from cart will be called here. And here I have a cart value. In the cart value I have, if suppose I have a 10 items or 5 items I have. This 5 items, I will check the 5 items. This is same product. If you consider this, I have a 10 product. So this product is should not be matched with what I have in the particular where I clicked that particular product. I have 10 product. I have to remove that particular one product. So I will be getting a 9 product. That 9 product will be in the updated cart. So in this updated cart, I have to set this particular cart value, so that in the particular use state I have a cart. This 9 items will be stored in this particular cart value. I have to remove that particular one. So I and also have to set it in the local storage. For that, in the updated I have got whatever I have that particular 9 product. That 9 product has to be converted to stringify, and it will be settled in this particular, this 9 item will be settled in this local storage. So once we have set this updated code, we have to get that particular. So if I have a 5 product, I have to get it from the local storage. Here I have to display. So for that, I have this. I have to check Windows object is present in the client component only. We have a Windows object. If we are using a server component, we don't have this window object. So we have to check if it is undefined. So the local storage dot get item of code. So here I have to get this. Here we have to pass the key value. So the key is caught. So whatever we have set it, I have stored it in the saved cart. I have to parse this particular product and store it in the set cart. The set cart, I have this particular 9 item which will be parsed format. So this cart item will be I'm just pass it here, and also remove from cart. I just passed it here. And it will be available in the product list. So here we have to go to the product list. In the product list, we have to update this cart, and we have to write give cart, add to cart, remove from cart. We have to use context from the create context, which we will be getting from cart context. So where we have written all the function, this three items were present in this particular file. So we have to use this cart value here. So here I have a 9 product. I have to display this 9 product instead of 10 product. So which I have deleted. So I have so here I have a cart value of five items. I have displayed in the local storage. I have some problem issues in this. If I go back, I have a 5 product now. So once I go to this, mm, I ha- so once I go to the different product. If I add this, the cart value is increased to 6. Again I go to some other product. For example, I go to this product. I'm just giving add to cart the seventh 7 in the cart. This So here I have a different product. This is also different. Here you can see, I have this issues. You can see right here. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 product having the same ID. So this same ID, if I have this red color dress has the same ID. So if I remove this, all the IDs will get removed. So this should not happen. So for that I have to disable this particular add to cart. Once I click this, that item is getting added. I have to disable this particular button so that we could not add another time. So if we want to add in the cart, we have to set a quantity. So where we have to increase in the plus, and if you want to decrease, we have to use a minus. So that button we have to set instead of going this way. Once we have added, we have to disable. Once we go to the order page, that time we will be go to add, increase or decrease the product item. That page we have to do. So this is not a correct way of doing this. This we will be seeing in the next tutorial. So once I recap this, here I have a remove button for every cart item which I have added. The remove button will be displayed here. So once I click this, this particular ID will be passed to this particular handle remove hand this function. The remove from cart function, handle remove. This ID will be passed to this cart context, and the cart context we have defined that particular function. See here I have a cart context. So here the remove from cart, you can see here I have 10 product. The instead of which I have clicked, that should not included in this. So if it is match, so we have to remove that particular one item. This 9 item has to be updated in the updated cart, and set cart I have to set this, and we have to updated this cart. We have to set it in the local storage. So once we have set it in the local storage, we have to get those items from the local storage. So for that we have to set. Once we have set it, this cart value will get updated. This cart value which we have declared given here, this cart value will be passed to this particular product list. This particular product list will display all the 9 products which we have given. This loop will be executed, this map function. So we will be getting all the 9 products here. So this is all about remove from cart. So we have to disable the button. We will be seeing in the next tutorial. Thank you.